one of the most important, a really important thing that you should be able to do when you're lost in the wild or out in the wild is being able to get your own food. And one of the best things to actually get, no matter where you are, is fish. There's always fish somewhere. So I think we need to do a little bit of fishing.
Oh no, rain's coming.
Lads, I think we're about to get a bit of a storm here.
The rain is coming.
We've made some basic fishing rods using fishing line, hooks, worms we found at camp, and some weights to keep the bait in the water. Right, Brian, you're the man. You know what you should do? Yeah. If you can find a nice little hole, I like a deep little place, keep it like that. Make sure the hook doesn't come up and go into your hand. Just be really careful.
This is a good spot because it's a nice little deep bite and it's not too fast flowing.
Brian is off up there, and if you come down a bit further, that means we're going to cover a lot more area. That'd be a good idea.
I like here because you can go down like this.
It's like a little overhang.
Can I put up the fishing rod?
Do. Are you ready? You know where to drop it?
Yeah.
Right, you need 2 hands, grab it. Nice and easy. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Steady and drop. Brilliant. And let's set it in underneath that bank so it has somewhere sturdy. Lovely. They'll check it out and they'll say, that looks good. Well, boys, everything good? Any nibbles?
No.
Nothing. We got to get back down to camp for a little while. We got to do one more job before we actually start to cook. Okay? Now the real work is going to begin. But you know what? Remember we were up above and all of a sudden the rain and the wind came back, the really heavy wind.
Yeah.
Well, I know this shelter is really windproof, but do you see the little mini shelter we built over there? Covered in moss. I think we should do the exact same with the big shelter. It'll take a good bit of tough work, but I think we got some tough workers here. Our first phase is to gather as many large fallen branches from the forest floor as we can. Throw them all in, and when we have them all in, we'll layer them all up.
Sorry, Mama.
Then we place them on top of the tarp, creating a strong outer shell for the hut. That's it, lads.
I'm all ready.
Try and get them really neat, okay?
Now it's starting to look more like a hut than a tent.
And it's nice, comfortable, but cold.
The guys are going to put a good layer of moss over this because this isn't going to hold very good. But the moss, not only is it going to keep everything stable, keep it all sturdy down, but it's going to trap all that extra heat, keep it inside, keep the lads nice and warm through the night, and a good night's sleep is worth its weight in gold.
Midge is really bad. I just found a group of them on my hands, all over my hands. Yay, there's no midges.
With camp ready and hopefully midge-proof, it's time to have one last go at catching our dinner. Anything moving? Oh, I think you got a stick. You got a full tree. No luck. Well, you got a fine weed there. Will we keep that one for the breakfast? So that's the thing about here, it's a real hit and miss. You know? Whoa, lift it up. Fishy, fishy, fishy.
I caught one.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Fishy. I caught one.
Yummy, yummy, up. Oh. He's a lovely one. That's cool. Lads, the midges are bad, aren't they? All right. Really got to move. Lads, want to bring it back up?